Okay. Okay. Um. Okay. Let's see. Hello. Hello. Okay. Okay. Let me. So set up some animations for this guy. Figure out. Okay. Let me Saxman. That's the final animation. Okay. So of X-Men level 1. He has a humanoid. Good. Now we're probably gonna have the 3 levels. Okay. The just trying to figure this out so it's not in the way. Oh, oh, okay. Yeah, there. Let's see. First, let's go to Mixamo. Guy, do this. Okay, so let's do idle first. Yeah, let's just do simple I. Feel like this. Okay, then walk. And I'm trying to remember if we're gonna do. Not gonna do root motion. Again. And then the run. Running place. We can do the left and right later. For now, we're just hit react. Okay. Back. Oh, it's that time of day for people to come knocking at the door. Buddy. Okay. Okay. So did we? I think we downloaded this. Let's double check. I gotta rename them. Um, let's call them Axemen level 1 running. Oh, really? We already had these. Like, but okay. The Axemen 1 running. Axemen level 1 walking. Axemen level 1 idle. That. And let's just remove this. Okay. So we have the running, the walking, the hit is the one we need. They're just walking, they get hit. So let's see. Come back. Let's say they got stunned. Maybe. No, that's too much. Hit. It's so hard. I just need a boom, like a reaction. Let me see. Boom. Okay, this one might be good. No. Okay, this one's good. I don't know how I feel about that. Because he's moving. I don't want him to move. It's not root motion. Will he slide? I'm just trying to think. We'll try it. What is it? Large hit? No, because we want him to. Let me see. Hit to head. Trying to think. Let me see this. No. Well, I'll just do this. Call it good. We're not gonna. I'm gonna add a few frames because I want to make sure I have enough in case I want it like a second stun, like 60 seconds. Enough frames. So Axeman 1. What's it called? Mech. Okay, so we have these. Let's see what else we need. We have running. Oh yeah, attack. Let's see what kind of attacks we have. Oh, we have this one. Yeah, we want that, I think. So he's gonna go and swing. Okay, so we're gonna do this one first. Okay. We're gonna call it, yeah, the standing. I'm gonna say horizontal. Axeman level 1. Horizontal. Okay, and then let's see. Let's move forward. I know. See? Yeah, could do. We'll try that. The hard part is that for these we have to like let it play out. Can run Axeman level 1. Run and jump. Okay. Maybe we can blend it. See. I think we can do it where it goes from the running animation to this and just play. That'd be difficult though. And then I wanted something like I think this is the one. Let me see. No, it's too long or too slow. This one. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Yeah, and the idea is that okay, we'll download this one, call it good. Combo attack. Because what I want to do is have him run, attack, and then try to swing everywhere in case he misses the player. So you can't just like go behind him. So we'll see. 1. Let's see. What was it called? Combo. Combo attack 2 because it's version 2. Okay, so we have all these animations. Let me now go back to the project. Okay, so explore here. Hopefully, double check. Oh, I tried to open. I go in here and set them all up. Okay, so if we'll let us do all of them at one. Humanoid, copy from model. Let me see if it's the right one. Yep, that one. Strip animation, humanoid. Animations, they're all different, so we'll hit apply. Okay, let me. I did all of them, I think. Oh, and this one should not have been here. Delete. I should have just delete. Okay, so walking. Jump attack. Attack. Oh, we need the. That's what we're missing. It's the combo. Do rig, humanoid. That one. Yep. Save. Oh. Yeah. See, combo. Boom, boom. Okay, now we are gonna rename stuff. Then here we're gonna do combo. We're not gonna. Do we want to loop? No, we don't want to loop. Probably gonna. When this ends, we're gonna add a trigger here. Like in clip. There should be a way to add events. Let's see, we can add an event somewhere in here. Have it in the import somewhere when it finishes. I'm gonna add the event right there. This is finish. We can say combo attack finish value something. And I'll figure that out later. Loop time no, because we're gonna play it once and it's gonna just trigger that, and so it'll keep playing the animations, but it'll give it enough time for the script to then do what it needs to. So we're gonna apply. Okay. Horizontal attack. Oh crap! Sorry. Horizontal attack. We also want to know when it's finished. Boom. So it's finished around this time. Give us enough time. We add an event. You're gonna call it the same. Horizontal attack. Finished. We need to fix it. We'll fix it later. We need to name this Axeman 1 horizontal attack. No. Dang it. I accidentally redid it. Yeah. I forgot to hit apply. Instead, I thought I hit the right thing. Okay, so we have the event, I think. Let me see. The event. Just, what was it called? Horizontal attack And that's for now. We're gonna do that. So when it's done with the attack, it's gonna tell the do something else. Okay, finish. We're gonna have horizontal axeman level 1 horizontal attack. And I'm gonna hit apply. There, and this is named. I'm gonna go back here and go back and say axe 1 attack. Apply. Okay, idle. Same thing with idle. We do want to loop it. Call it. Let's call. If you'll let me copy this. This is an animation. It's not an FVX. Okay, we're looping it. We're applying. Oh, what? No. Okay. Hey, what's up, Shadow? How's your game going? And can you hear me all right? I'm just trying to make sure the mic is okay. I'm actually doing animations for the enemies, so I don't know if you're working on your animations for your guy. Oh, always forget. Okay, so there's something that doesn't match. What is this? Oh, this is the rum jump. It's okay. We're not gonna loop it. We're gonna flip. Here, events. Gonna go jump. Jump. Finish. Going over enemies, running. This loop time. Need anything else? Good. Oh yeah, that's awesome. I just got your thing. Yeah, the chat is a little bit delayed from the stream. Takes a bit for me to get what you, but I got that. That's good. Okay, so walking, loop, fly, stomach hit, stomach hit. What else? No, I don't know when I'm gonna get hit, and maybe we'll do an event when it's done. Go. Boom. Stomach hit, finished. Bye. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'll definitely check it out. Did you just if you want to put on school on the community, if you want to post the link to the channel, do you know how to add people to the channel? You just put that link There's other people that have VR headsets in school too. But yeah, I can test it out if you want. Okay, so I have all the combos. Go to animation animators. We're gonna create an animator. We're just gonna wing this as we go. Down here, animator controller, Axeman level 1 controller or animation controller. We'll just call it AC. Oh no. Let's see. Okay, so this is why I usually have another monitor. Well, I have my other monitors. I can look the have my okay, so we're gonna copy this, I think. Be and then okay, so the first thing is so we're gonna have from any state make a transition to a trigger. And this is blend tree, so this is gonna be called the movement. Gonna move. So it's gonna be the default, and anytime we will have a parameter that will say trigger. Every time it gets hit, it will go here. I'm gonna so anytime double check. Anytime it has a hit has oh yeah, I gotta add. You need help making videos on my PC so to audio so I can import it into Unity. Oh, like a audio. I think there's websites that do that for free. Let me see that. You can do like MP like video to audio stuff. You add the MP4 or the MP3 and it'll export them. So stomach and okay. What will happen is when I hit this on trigger, on hit, it will conditions. Okay, so it'll hit, and this is the hit, and then try to see because the animator has to move. So okay, so when we get hit, oh no, okay, hold on, and then movement, we need a blend tree. What are we gonna blend this speed? Okay, so idle. Holy cow. Let's do Axeman level, right? Idle. Axeman unwalking and level running. Oh, which one is it? Final animations. Okay, these thresholds will be different depending speed. See, this is the idle 0. Let's just say 0.1. Okay, so that means I have this guy here. And I have 0. Also, walk-ins here. Okay, so it'll start walking. It won't even run. Why? Whoopsie. Threshold. Ooh, weird. Walking animation. Yeah, it should be looping. It should be constantly going. Oh, because I had to hit play. My bad. So let's make it. Yeah, 0.1 is fine. And then we're gonna hit play. So he's idle. And he's gonna start moving. Oh, and then I need this to be 0.01. Or okay, so we're gonna play. To 5. The other way there's a bigger blend. If we do like 0.2, maybe, or we'll see. I think and 5 might be a little bit not enough. It looks like he's running at like 10. So they just need this will blend it better. That way there's different speeds versus he's chasing. Okay. And then let's put the attacks. So let's figure this out. Oh, you figured it out with the okay, cool. See, there you go. You getting stuff done. Okay, so I have trying to think if I want to do I wonder how I'll do. Let's do a blend tree to see the running attack. That's what it's gonna be called. I can the name. Run and so we're gonna blend it. And the way we're gonna blend it is motion. We have 2 motions. We'll have the running. And we have the run and attack. I don't know if this is the best way. So then if you hit play, he's running. I think he's gonna boom. See, I don't know how that works. No, because we're not looping. But it's nice because you can blend it. But we could do that in the transition. Okay, so never mind. We're gonna delete that. So we're gonna be running stomach hit. Boom. Let's say, yeah, if you get hit, you're gonna run towards. Let me see, because I want to know if we can get hit and then attack. But let's not worry about that. So first, we're gonna do this is be called uh, and attack. If you get hit, you're gonna be moving. Attack, run, and jump attack. So make transition. Okay, and this is the initial. We'll have a bull. Probably wanna do a trigger. Bull. Let me see. Trying to think, because if I put a boolean here, it will be the same as always. So let me see. I do a trigger, run and attack is a trigger. This will only when that like when we're within a distance, we'll use this, and then I'll do a combo attack. Then we have horizontal attack, and then so every time we're here, trying to think. Let's try doing this. Triggers, triggers, triggers. So that way we don't run into problems because these don't. This one is combo attack and horizontal attack. So what we're gonna do is we're probably not gonna be moving when we're within range. And so all we need to do how do we get back here, right? Because it's gonna play this animation. Oh, before we do this, let me add the animations. Back. And okay, so we have the animations, and it's like dead ends because we don't want to loop through them, and I don't want a boolean here because then it's going to come back. After this is done, it is going to go back here, but the speed is going to be set to 0. I'm going to go back. That's exit time. Then it'll go boom, and if we have the speed is 2, watch the speed. Oh wait, what? Speed is 10. Say speed is 10. They'll let me play through because it's not. I visualize. Yeah, visualize. But it should let. They'll be chasing to the exit time. And it'll blend it. So we'll see how it goes. I don't want it to take that long. Then I'm gonna go right through because we don't want it to delay so much with the animation, but we do wanna, if they're running, to be able to just kind of, we'll figure out how to blend it. Then you'll, and we'll try this. And going back, we don't need the exit time. Okay, so condition, what is to move? No, we'll do exit time then. There's no condition, so we'll go make transitions, and they'll all go back to moving. And if it's idle, it's whatever. You with the animation. Okay, yeah. Do you? Hey, Shadow, Did you upload it? I can. Yeah, I can play after the stream, and I'm probably gonna end a little bit early today. I'm just trying to do this right now. See how it works. Okay. So let's say we have this NPC. I'm gonna wing it because this guy. So I'll show you. Oh, it might not. I wonder if it's working. Let's see if it works. Gonna add. Let me see what this sensor script is looking for. Okay, see. Parts. Range. Let's looking for another NPC. We'll fudge it for now, okay? Okay, so let me see what we can do. So we have this NPC guy, and for now it's just gonna look for an NPC thing. So I'm gonna add it in here. These. Let me see what team this guy is. He is blue. I'll make him red. Okay. So let me check. So we are checking, and then we are sorting, and they detected entries. Okay. Entries hostile is hostile. Okay, so we have all the update detected entries. Then we sort it. And then for now, I think in here, we'll just say if less than 0 or not, or Let's do void attack hostile. If boom boom temporary, if the detection list count 0, and detection let's see what we have with the agent. Okay. Agent dot set destination. Position. Is the agent goes at 3, and this should make it so that they run towards the target, right? Because we were talking about running 4. The thing is, we have to do a bunch of stuff. Check. So the first thing is gonna run, but it's not gonna attack because I gotta do the trigger. And then we gotta think about all the other events. So like that's the thing with, it's simple on paper, but then you have to think of all the scenarios. So like the first thing is it's gotta run to it, then it's gonna determine like how close it is to do the run and jump, or just when it gets close, it will do the hack and slash. Until then, it's not gonna stop. And then you have to do, well, when does it give up? When, like, not last known position. Okay, so we're gonna watch this. And there's a lot of thinking that I haven't thought of. We're just setting up the animations to make sure that works. He's gonna detect that guy. Oh, he's not. Oh yeah, he is, because he's right there. So he ran to it and he's done. He's always, so this makes it so that he's always running to the player. The other thing we can do is make the range a little bit longer, farther, if we want to. So that way, the moment it detects, we can do the jump. So let's try that. Instead of setting the destination. So that's something, so this is, and we don't want everything in here. This is a sensor. The sensor is supposed to just let the know, and then the enemy is supposed to figure out what to do depending on what. That's why branching starts getting tedious. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So we're going to do now, okay, how are we going to trigger the attack, right? And also we have to know, okay, like how do we know if it's attacking the player? And so that it doesn't, because this is going to constantly try to attack the player. So the other thing we could do, say in here, let's do this for now. Okay, if this transform the opposition, wait, no, let's do float distance to target. So last known position, yeah. So this distance to target, and okay, if distance to target is greater than, say, 5. We're going to do the running. Okay, so we're going to do this. If it's less than, and then we'll return. Just trying to make it simple for now, just to test the animations. The agent. Oh no, set the speed to 2 or whatever, to 0. We could do 0. Say let's do the jump attack. And then distance is less than 5. Distance target is greater than, less than 5 and greater than, let's see, like gonna do the jump attack. And then either way, the speed is gonna be 0 because we're gonna do something. If it's here, we'll do jump attack. If not, else we're gonna do a horizontal attack. Okay. But we're gonna have to do the animation. So this is just the speed, right? The speed is the blend. So what we're gonna do is set up the, let me see, animator dot. So what do we have for the animator? Oh no. Okay. So the animator, let's see who uses it. Trying to see who uses it. Okay, so let's say, and we're gonna see errors with this after a while, but for now we're gonna say animator dot trigger. We're gonna set the triggers, remember, and the triggers are, go back because I forgot. Also need to add the new animator because we do right. Oh yeah, the animator. Okay, so we're gonna change it to this guy. And we have, let's see, the animator. We have the run attack. Yeah. And the trigger is gonna be your parameter triggers. Gotta make sure that it's identical. Set here, trigger, the name. Then we're gonna do horizontal slash when we're close enough, or maybe we'll just do the combo. See how fast it runs. Depending on how far it is, it should just keep attacking. So view, hopefully in a second. Okay, so I have this, and this is like just like a quick and dirty way of testing, not the final. I'm doing a lot of homework on getting things figured out with the behavior tree. But for now, I'm just kind of, okay, hey, do these animations work? And is the like logic sound? I'm gonna make sure I can move the player when it starts. This. Okay, so we are gonna play. I'm gonna set him up a little farther. Um, and let's see. Hit play, I guess. Hopefully it works. Okay, so as long as it doesn't have anything, it'll wander. The thing is that once it goes back, it's not gonna do the wander. Oh, whoops. Oh no. Gonna go in. Oh, and it's attacking. So it'll. Oh, because it's out of range. Because it's out of range. Ah, it shouldn't. Ah, the speed. Oh, because it's not going back to. Okay, I get it. So before it. And this is within. Okay. So let's change this. Between one. Say, right? So between this distance, maybe it'll do a jump attack. And then we'll run and trigger. The main thing is that the transitions are not going. So he's moving. This is running. And we need to set. We need another trigger. Let's try this. I was gonna wait to do this, but let's just do it now. Trigger back to moving. So then if so, or we could do if speed. Speed is. I don't even know if I set the animation to. Anyway, so this will be better than that. Back to moving. So if it needs to move, I'll set this trigger. But it also needs to know not last known position, but let me see what else we have. Let me see. Oh, we need to make him a little bit smarter. So in here, how often it updates. See, where is it? Scan rate 5, a little bit more frequent. What else? Section entry. So we know the NPC, if it's alive, visible, last known position, last seen time, hostile. The wandering script still going. Last known position, distance, visible. Okay, so we can check if it's visible. So the other thing we can do is in the sensor. And here, if distant, if what we can do if it's hostile and is visible. Visible. Okay, so if we can see them, then we should do. If not, we should go to one. If not, what is the wonder thing set up? Will be running. Stopped. Paused. Oh, we should probably put this. Yeah, because when we're doing this, we should right now they're both competing, but let's see. If we don't do anything, it should continue to do what we sure. Here, if we don't have anything else, we always want to make sure that agent speed is 2. Return. Agent speed is 2. We always go back to me. So that way it'll set the animation to be able to do the wander stuff. Okay. Now be able to this and work. Okay. Try to leave. Comes and sees me. Oh yes. Uh-oh. According to an animation event has no receiver. You missing a component. Oh, so I need to do something for that receiver. Okay, hold on. So I'm gonna have to change these. Hold on. Here, the event. Problem is that we don't actually use it. It creates problems. So we're gonna delete it. Apply. This one, because if you don't do something with the event triggers, we don't need them right now. We might use them later. Hi. And then, what else was I gonna? What happens? I'll have to finesse all the animations and whatnot. No, it shouldn't even hit. Why is it hit? Oh, it's because it's trying to set the this one. Okay. Let's do a Boolean. This is why it gets complicated really fast. And I'm gonna do something different. This is just like to test the animations. Was attacking because if we did this, attacking equals true. Oh wait. Okay, hold on. The logic. Okay. Hacking. Oh, come on. False. Moving. Okay. If distance. Yeah, because this is gonna start running regardless of. Um. I just never made it to here. And then the NPC, let's just set it to 0 here. PC.agent. Oh, what the heck? Stop. Hey, I said is stop. False or true. And then 2. And then false. And the problem is this is conflicting with the wandering. 0.15. Okay, so it's a going on. Okay, yeah, we can play test in a second. Shadow. Do you have? Is it uploaded? Do you have the link? Let me go to school. So let's go. Right here. You posted somewhere. Post it or send me a link to the channel. Do you know how to do that? Meta. You log in to Meta, and then in here, you just go and okay. So you have it. Just add me to. If you go here to the distribution channels, you can just users either add, make it private, or just grant access through URL and just give me the URL. Okay. Okay, we'll talk in a second. I'm almost done. Just message. I'll message you a link and then we can talk for a sec. Okay. And I think, yeah, regardless of where this is at, see, yeah, it messed up the wandering setup. Not even running. I'll figure it out. You probably move all and just go like this. Fix everything. I'll have to figure out and this is where it gets complicated with attacks and enemies. Okay, Shadow, I'm gonna close the chat now, or I'm gonna finish stuff right now. Oh, that's weird. Oh, it's probably triggered with it. Okay, double checking some stuff. Oh, let me check with the. Oh, he's doing a horizontal attack. Oh, because there's no conditions. So in here, the condition was supposed to be. Um, oh, that's what happened. Horizontal attack. Oh, these conditions are not there. That's weird. Combo attack. Okay, so that's what was happening. I should go back to normal. Okay, now we're back. Okay, so I'll finish this off stream. Try to just go back to make a transition to this. Sure that all the triggers are there. Back to moving so that there's no messing up. Okay. I'll close the stream and then